What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Gabe Humble, and welcome to the second and final episode of Gabe the Babe Cooks Like a Boss. Today's recipe originated in China. It's called the sweet and sour chicken. It was made back in the 1700s, but today I'm bringing it to your home. The ingredients for today are 1 pound of chicken breast, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, black pepper, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 bell peppers, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of agave nectar, 1/4 cup of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Our first step is going to be cutting the chicken. First we're going to cut them into strips. Then we're going to cut them into 1-inch cubes. Crack the eggs and whisk them together. That's 2. Okay, so now my sous chef is going to help me cut the bell peppers.
Into slices.
The next thing we're going to do is put all the chicken into a big bowl. Now I'm going to season the chicken with pepper first, and now salt. Alright, now I'm going to stir the chicken. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the cornstarch onto the chicken. Alright, so now I'm going to stir it. Shake off the excess cornstarch. Alright, now I'm going to pour the chicken back into another bowl. I'm going to put the eggs in there. I'm going to evenly mix this. Alright, next I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into this skillet and then heat it to medium heat. Now we'll add the chicken and brown it for 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add the bell peppers and I'm going to saute them.
Okay, while Gabe is working with the peppers and the chicken, I'm going to start on the sauce. First we need 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1/3 cup agave nectar, then you get 1/4 cup ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Whisk them together. And then Gabe will be able to pour that right into the skillet.
Alright, now I'm going to add the sauce to the bell peppers and the chicken. Now I'm going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And today we're going to serve it over rice. It's actually not that bad.
That's really good.
I'd say that went over pretty well. Well, that's all the time we have for you today on Gabe the Babe Cooks Like a Boss.